Join us as we dive into the secrets behind the world's most mysterious painting, the Mona Lisa. Born from the brushstrokes of the enigmatic Leonardo da Vinci in the early 16th century, this painting has captivated hearts and minds for centuries. Housed in the hallowed halls of the Louvre Museum in Paris, the Mona Lisa's allure lies not just in its beauty, but also in the shroud of mystery that surrounds it. Who was this woman with the knowing smile? What secrets lie hidden beneath the layers of paint? Today, we embark on a journey to unravel these enigmas, to explore the theories, the history, and the enduring legacy of a painting that continues to captivate the world. For centuries, the identity of the Mona Lisa has been the subject of intense debate and speculation. Some historians believe her to be Lisa Gherardini, the wife of a wealthy Florentine silk merchant. Others offer alternative theories, suggesting she could be the mistress of Giuliano de' Medici, or even a self-portrait of Leonardo himself, disguised in feminine form. Adding to the intrigue, facial recognition software has been employed to analyze the painting's features, comparing them to known portraits of the era. These analyses have yielded intriguing, yet inconclusive results. Could the Mona Lisa be a composite of multiple faces, blending reality and imagination on a single canvas? It seems the truth, like the very brushstrokes that have captivated the world for centuries, remains elusive. Perhaps the most captivating feature of the Mona Lisa is her enigmatic smile. Is she content, amused, or harboring a secret sorrow? The subtle curve of her lips has been the subject of countless interpretations. Art historians point to Leonardo's mastery of sfumato, a technique that uses subtle gradations of light and shadow to create a soft, almost ethereal effect. This technique, coupled with the sitter's direct gaze, creates the illusion of movement in her expression. As you shift your gaze, her smile appears to flicker and change, a testament to Leonardo's deep understanding of human perception. It is this very elusiveness, this sense that the Mona Lisa holds a secret just beyond our grasp, that continues to draw us to her. In the annals of art history, the Mona Lisa is perhaps most widely known for an audacious crime, her theft from the Louvre Museum in 1911. Masterminded by an Italian handyman named Vincenzo Peruggia, the brazen heist sent shockwaves through the art world and beyond. For 2 long years, the painting remained missing, its whereabouts unknown. The empty space on the Louvre wall became a symbol of loss, a stark reminder of the fragility of even the most prized masterpieces. Theories abounded regarding the thief's motives and the painting's fate, fueling a global media frenzy. Then, in a dramatic turn of events, the Mona Lisa resurfaced in Florence, Italy. Perugia was apprehended, claiming patriotic motives for returning the painting to its rightful home. The painting's recovery was celebrated worldwide, solidifying its status as an international icon. Over the centuries, the Mona Lisa has not only endured the test of time, but also the potential damage posed by environmental factors and overzealous admirers. The delicate layers of paint, the fragile poplar wood panel on which it was painted, all require constant attention and care. A team of dedicated conservators at the Louvre employ cutting-edge technology and meticulous techniques to monitor the painting's condition. A climate-controlled environment, specialized lighting, and even bulletproof glass protect this priceless artifact from both natural decay and potential threats. These efforts ensure that generations to come will have the opportunity to stand before the Mona Lisa and experience firsthand the magic of Leonardo's brushstrokes. The Mona Lisa has also become a canvas for conspiracy theories and hidden messages. Some believe that Leonardo, a master of symbolism, embedded secret codes and messages within the painting. Researchers have employed advanced imaging techniques to delve beneath the painting's surface, revealing intriguing details invisible to the naked eye. Some claim to have discovered tiny letters and numbers concealed within the painting's details, fueling speculation about their meaning. Could these be clues to a secret society, a hidden message, or simply the artist's signature? While most of these claims remain unsubstantiated, they add another layer to the already enigmatic persona of the Mona Lisa. The background of the Mona Lisa, often overlooked amidst the focus on her enigmatic smile, is a masterpiece in its own right. The dreamlike landscape, with its winding paths and atmospheric perspective, has captivated art historians for centuries. Some scholars believe that the background is not merely a decorative element, but a symbolic representation of Leonardo's own worldview. They suggest that the winding paths represent the journey of life, while the distant mountains hint at the pursuit of knowledge and enlightenment. Others point to the lack of any specific geographical markers, suggesting that the setting is an imagined world, a dreamscape born from Leonardo's fertile imagination. The Mona Lisa stands as a testament to the genius of Leonardo da Vinci, not just as an artist, but also as a scientist and inventor. To create this masterpiece, Leonardo employed innovative techniques that would influence generations of artists to come. His mastery of sfumato, the subtle blending of light and shadow, lends the painting its ethereal quality. The use of aerial perspective, a technique that creates the illusion of depth by blurring distant objects, adds to the painting's sense of realism. Furthermore, Leonardo's meticulous attention to detail, from the delicate strands of Mona Lisa's hair to the intricate folds of her garments, reveals his unparalleled skill in capturing the nuances of human anatomy and the natural world. The Mona Lisa is more than just a painting. It is a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of artistic genius and enduring mystery. Its influence extends far beyond the walls of the Louvre, permeating popular culture, advertising, and even everyday language. From countless reproductions and parodies to its use in films, literature, and music, the Mona Lisa has become an integral part of our collective consciousness. Her enigmatic smile continues to inspire countless interpretations, ensuring that discussions surrounding this masterpiece will continue for generations to come. The Mona Lisa stands as a testament to the power of art to transcend time, to connect with us on a deeply human level, and to leave us forever pondering the secrets hidden within her gaze. We've explored the theories, the history, and the artistic mastery behind the Mona Lisa, yet the mystery remains. What secrets do you think lie behind her enigmatic smile? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of an artistic enigma, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more captivating discoveries from the world of art. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest findings. What mysterious masterpiece should we explore next? The world of art is filled with untold stories waiting to be uncovered.